In class number 7 of our Automotive Air Conditioning course, we are going to study the Trinary pressure switch for control and safety, a fundamental component for the correct operation of the vehicle climate control system. The Trinary pressure switch, also known as a trinary valve or high-pressure switch with 3 functions, is one of the most important elements within the automotive air conditioning system, as it plays a key role in refrigerant pressure control, compressor protection, and condenser thermal management. Its correct operation is essential to ensure the efficiency, safety, and durability of the climate control system. This device is installed in the high-pressure line of the circuit, usually on the outlet pipe of the condenser or on the high-side receiver dryer. From this strategic location, the pressure switch continuously monitors the refrigerant pressure and automatically acts on the electrical circuits of the compressor and the condenser fan, without the need for direct driver intervention. Unlike simple or binary pressure switches, the trinary pressure switch integrates 3 control and safety functions into a single component, allowing more precise system regulation and a more efficient response to abnormal operating conditions. These 3 functions work in a complementary manner to prevent serious failures and keep the system within safe pressure ranges. Remember that in the description of this video, you will find the link to access more information about our complete automotive air conditioning course. First function, condenser fan high-speed activation. The first function of the trinary pressure switch is the activation of an additional condenser fan speed when system pressure rises above normal operating values. This function comes into action when the pressure reaches approximately 15 to 17 bar, equivalent to 218 to 247 pounds per square inch, or PSI. At this point, the pressure switch closes an electrical contact that activates a relay, allowing the condenser fan to operate at a higher speed or activating a second fan, depending on the vehicle design. The purpose of this function is to improve heat dissipation, reduce refrigerant pressure, and stabilize system operation, especially under high ambient temperatures or heavy traffic conditions. Second function, compressor shutdown due to high pressure. The second function is compressor shutdown due to high pressure, considered a critical protection function. When system pressure continues to increase and reaches dangerous values between 28 and 30 bar, corresponding to approximately 406 to 435 psi, the pressure switch opens the electrical circuit of the compressor clutch. This action immediately stops the compressor, preventing severe damage such as internal valve breakage, component deformation, oil overheating, or even hose rupture. This type of overpressure can be caused by a blocked condenser, fan failures, ventilation problems, refrigerant overcharge, or extremely high ambient temperatures. Third function, low pressure cutoff. The third function of the trinary pressure switch is low pressure cutoff, designed to protect the compressor when the system contains an insufficient amount of refrigerant. Under these conditions, the pressure switch prevents compressor activation, since such low pressure usually indicates the presence of a refrigerant leak. Allowing the compressor to operate under these conditions could cause lack of lubrication, dry running, overheating, and ultimately irreversible compressor failure. Electrical characteristics. From an electrical standpoint, the trinary pressure switch generally has 4 connection pins designed to interact with 2 main circuits, the compressor control circuit and the condenser fan control circuit. Depending on the detected pressure level, the pressure switch opens or closes specific contacts, allowing or interrupting the current flow to these components. Although the operating principle is similar in most vehicles, the pin layout and wiring diagram may vary depending on the manufacturer, so it's always recommended to consult the corresponding electrical diagram. Symptoms of trinary pressure switch failure. When the trinary pressure switch fails, several characteristic symptoms may appear, including the condenser fan does not activate its second speed, the compressor shuts off suddenly or intermittently, the system does not cool properly, the compressor does not activate when the air conditioning is turned on, the system may overheat due to incorrect pressure management. These symptoms can be confused with failures in other components of the system, making accurate diagnosis essential. Remember that in the description of this video, you will find the link to access more information about our complete automotive air conditioning course. Advantages and disadvantages of the Trinary pressure switch. The use of the Trinary pressure switch offers multiple technical advantages, including comprehensive system protection, prevention of severe compressor damage under extreme pressure conditions, improved thermal efficiency by optimizing condenser fan operation, increased safety by preventing system operation in the event of a refrigerant leak, and greater durability and reliability of the automotive air conditioning system. However, this component also presents some disadvantages. As an electrical and mechanical device, it can fail due to internal wear, corrosion, or electrical contact problems. In addition, diagnosis can be complex since a Trinary pressure switch failure can mimic problems in other system elements, such as temperature sensors, relays, or the compressor itself. Although its cost is usually not high, the diagnostic time and specialized labor required for proper evaluation and replacement can increase the total repair cost. Remember that in the description of this video, you will find the link to access more information about our complete automotive air conditioning course. How to diagnose the automotive air conditioning Trinary pressure switch without disconnecting it. 1. Visual inspection and quick checks before measuring. Locate the Trinary pressure switch, which is normally installed in the refrigerant circuit, at the condenser outlet or on the. Perform a detailed visual inspection, checking condition of the electrical connector and wiring harness, condition of the pins, sulfation, corrosion, or rust, stripped, broken, or damaged insulation wires, presence of loose solder joints or poor previous repairs. If physical damage, internal moisture, or corrosion is observed, it is very likely that the Trinary pressure switch is defective, and in most cases, the correct solution is replacement. 2. Pin identification and function, typical configurations. The Trinary pressure switch generally has 4 pins or 4 wires, although variations may exist depending on the manufacturer. With the system turned off, disconnect only the electrical harness from the Trinary pressure switch. Using a multimeter set to the continuity scale, measure the pressure switch pins. There should be 1 pair of pins with continuity corresponding to the low pressure or refrigerant leak protection circuit, which allows or blocks compressor operation. There should be another pair of pins open, no continuity, corresponding to the condenser fan control circuit. If no pair of pins shows continuity, this may indicate an internal failure in the Trinary pressure switch that prevents compressor activation, usually associated with lack of refrigerant. In this case, check the system pressure using a manifold gauge. With the system turned off, static pressure should be approximately 90 psi, depending on ambient temperature. If a manifold gauge is not available, although the method is less precise, you can press the low-pressure service port of the system. The release of refrigerant gas indicates that refrigerant is present in the system.